Hello guys, good morning, and this is Trader Chrome here, and once again we're going to do some live trades today and technical analysis for our stocks and also NAS100, which we traded yesterday. And you'll see guys that as we anticipated that the price would hit this premium level, so it did pass through it though, and we're now looking to sell short, but we're still waiting for the perfect setup, if you will. So let's go first to our stock analysis. Alright, so we have here our sell. Let me just delete this one. We have here the old high as our buy side liquidity, and it's now being rejected by AMD stock. So I guess we're going to wait for it to trade inside this volume imbalance, then eventually trade deeper to this sell side liquidity. So we can also anticipate some buying opportunities here inside this gap, but I would not like buy at this current state of this price action, because it's currently in the premium side, or the upper upper 50% level of this swing high and swing low. So buying here would be like it's buying high, so we don't do that. So this is the 50% of the swing high and then recent swing low with our sell side liquidity. So this is a target for smart money to buy in this equilibrium, but let's see. So I'll just leave this line here so we can go back later on if how it reacts to this price. Airbnb, and yes, oh, we have more higher price for Airbnb, but we don't have a sell signal yet for this one, and I canceled the sell signal for Airbnb yesterday. And going to 4-hour time frame, yes, it's going to, I guess it's just starting to sell off, yes, because this is a bearish order block, and yep, we can anticipate some sell off around this area already. So let's see if this will pan out. I believe it will, because this is a 4-hour time frame bearish order block. So we anticipate that price will return to these inefficiencies that it created a few hours ago or a few days ago. So let's just go back to our NAS100 stock, because we are about to trade this one. And yes, it already created a break of market structure or market structure shift on the 5-minute time frame, and it might wait, let me just get my notes. Okay, so price would eventually return to this July 19th volume imbalance high, which if you go to our daily time frame, this is the July 19th volume imbalance high, this one, and also this is the low. So yeah, we think I think we can wait for this one to, we can wait for the price to gravitate below these areas, and then we try to buy, but right now it's bearish. I think we're just going to ride this one, but I need a fair value gap entry, and I cannot see one, but we have here a lower down close candle, up close candle. So if price would break below this, what's the price? It's around 15,874. All right. So let's see. 15,874 level. Then I would consider shorting and aim this low. This is the London Open low. So we annotate this charts like this. It's always based on time. Right now we already have a high probability shorting opportunity for this is NASDAQ 100, but I don't want to short it right away. I want to wait for at least 10 a.m. NY time before shorting it or buying, but it should give me some buy signal, like a buy signature, and that signature is like a it's like a layered confluences, like how do you call this one? It's like overlapping confluences with the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, and we have some higher time frame PD arrays, which is premium discount arrays also. So this is the weekly time frame for NASDAQ 100. We have an imbalance around this area, so I guess this is a suspect for it to trade back to this area since we're bullish. And yep, and as of now it's trading lower, giving us some bearish bias for our trading day, for this specific trading day. And today is Wednesday, 15th of November, and NASDAQ 100 is trading lower. I mean, NASDAQ 100 traded higher after the news or during the news, which was around 8:30 a.m. EST. I guess let's look for our Microsoft stock first, because, and yep, as we anticipated, it might have a pullback, and it did. So let me just clear this one. So this is a buy side liquidity being taken out. This is an old high. So yeah, so prices can normally, I mean, basically it should retrace back to this one, to this buy side liquidity. So this is a high probability shorting or selling. Let me go back to our NASDAQ 100. I really want to short this one right now, but it's already going, you know, like 10 a.m. EST is my time window for this one. I'd like to see it trade higher first, like, you know, going back to this side, I mean to this 15,898. Then from here I'd like to see a shorting opportunity, like it's like an M pattern if you watch my method on the Discord channel. It's something like this one, or if it will not I mean, if it will do that, that's good for shorting. Also, if NAS will take this sell side liquidity and create something like a W pattern like this one, I would buy it also. So it's just a matter of probabilities, and still trading is a waiting game. So let's see how this play out. We have an immediate rebalance, a swing high. This is a breaker, a bearish breaker. So this is a 1 minute bearish breaker. Yeah, I think I'll short this one now. So this is, how many points is this? It's just 26 points. And going back to this July is 60 points. Wow, I think this is good opportunity for shorting now, but I don't want to gamble it. I would like to wait for a perfect A+ setup before trading it. And since we're doing it live, remember this is just a demo account, and this is not a financial advice or trade advice. We're just showing you some trade probabilities that it's possible for this market. And if you want some free signals, visit our Discord channel with our indicators channel also, so that we can use for our confluences, like you can see right now. So this is a high probability sell. Why I would not trade this one yet? Because it's not part of my trading plan as of now, and I do trade with indicators, but it's always like a confirmation. And I have my own style of trading, so if you are new to trading, this is an absolute buy. I mean an absolute tool to buy for your trading style or practice or back testing. Yep, this is how we do it here, guys. So now it's going to take this sell side liquidity. I really want to sell short right now, but nope. And I can already. So going on my 15-minute time frame, I have here the breaker, which is a 15-minute bearish breaker. I have also a fair value gap. This is the fair value gap formed around the 8:30 a.m. news. I would like to see price trade back to this one, then reject it. And from here, I would take a sell short position. Let's check out DXY first. So DXY just traded lower in this. Wow, this is a very huge drop for DXY, and I think it's found a support area or sell side liquidity. So this is now bullish for DXY. Bullish, but until, I mean, in the long term, it is bearish, but until it reached above this 105.96, this will make DXY bullish again, and then that would mean bearish on Nasdaq and some Forex pairs that is paired with the dollar, of course. And now it's, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So why would I not why did I let that trade go? That's okay. We always wait for setups. We don't do FOMO trading. Can go without me. I don't mind that, because I have a long-term, like a I have a preconceived notion of this market already before I even started this stream. So I'm just following my trading rules, and you should also. Should have some trading rules, your own trade plan to follow, and that will forge discipline in your trading career or trading lifestyle, if you will. So yep, it formed some huge gap right here. So this is a high probability shorting, not a buying yet. So I would like to see this price trade back to these inefficiencies, then rejects it. Then I'll take a short position. Or I want to see price consolidate around this area, and then I'll take a buy position, but with a low hanging fruit objective of like around 20 points only, then be done for the day. See that it rejected this London Open. It just took that sell side liquidity right there. It has a, I mean, this is a breaker, bearish breaker on the 15-minute time frame. So if this 945 candle closed below this line, so this is let me just put the price. Oops, this is still bearish, by the way. I would not trade buy on this one. I would anticipate it to sell off and then eventually reach this premium CE week on 15,743 and lower. That's it. I would like this one to be my trade for today, and probably hold the trade until, you know, pre-market open for the next trading day. So this is my trade plan for today, guys. Let's see if it gives us our opportunity. Yes, it did close below, and this is nice. I would sell short, but I don't like price to see trade above this. Let me just mark this one. So this is 1577.4. all right, so this is my target for selling. And I don't like to see price trade back to this inefficiency. So this is a how many stop loss, I mean how many points. Oh, this is wait, 74 and 902, so this is just it, like less than 30 pips or 30 points. So let's go to our 1 minute time frame. I would anticipate this type of move. Right now it's going to have a buying opportunity first. I mean, it will give us a buying opportunity because it needs to trade back to this bearish order block on the 15-minute time frame. If it's really bearish, it will not go back to this area, and I would just simply short it halfway to this displacement right here. So if we take our Fibonacci extension tool or Fibonacci retracement tool, how do you call it? Yep, so this is how I'll find my entry. I mean, I look for entry around 15,860 or higher. So this will be my low hanging fruit objective. Wait, where did it go? This will be TP1. Alright, and then center or middle. Yep. Let's dive into the lower time frame first so we can see much more details. So we have broken this market structure from bullish to bearish. We're now switched to bearish, and I'd like this to be my entry. No matter what, I'll enter on a up close candle on a sell trade. The 5-minute time frame, yep, it's inside some sort of oh, there's an imbalance right here. I mean fair value gap. So I'll just remove that. So this is a fair value gap inside a bearish order block. So this is a high probability trade. So let me just short it here right away with a 20 pips stop loss, or 25 points. I like this reaction right here. This will be my TP1, which is 50 points. That's not bad. Easy target. Okay, so this time I'll try to hold my trade. Yesterday the OBS and my trading, I mean the MT5 apps just lagged, so I immediately closed the trades and ended up in profits earlier. You know, like I should have left some partials with it, but because of technical issues with my settings, I choose to close the trades. And you should do that also. You should protect your capital 100%. Like, it should be your top priority. So right now, I guess I'm shorting it now because it okay, so this is my eye of Fed. It would certainly reach this. Let's see, does this give me 40 points? No, 20 points only. Either I'll sell here or buy below this area. I would not want to trade, sell short here or buy in here. That's not a good idea, guys. You should always have some level of you know, like the trade plan. You should follow your trading plan and always enter a trade on a logical level. Oh, by the way, this is a balanced price range. Yep, so this is just right for a take profit target or a bounce off. So something like this one. So on the 15-minute time frame, this is a CB. Let me just annotate this one. Nice, nice, nice. It's now moving on my direction, like it's following my preconceived notion to what I expect it to do, and then after it does it, I'm going to take the trade. This is really just a waiting game, guys. Should be patient enough. So this is not on the list, this is not on the list. This is absolutely on the list. This also, and still waiting. Right now it's about to trade higher, or I mean trade back to this imbalance and buy side liquidity levels. It already formed some bullish breaker, I mean bearish breaker, a market structure shift. Look at this price action right here. That's a lot of nonsense, right? There's no fair value gap, there's no clear structure, whether or not it should give us some PDRAs like a bearish or bullish order block, something like that. But it's just a lot of choppy up and down, up and down, up and down. But this is normal if something was taken like a liquidity level. So in this case, this is a sell side liquidity being taken out, and sell side liquidity was formed around London open lows. So let me just go back to this one. This is around 2 a.m. EST. So that's the London open. Oh, I think I can immediately short this one right now. But I would like to trade inside the fair value gap. Yes, I think this is a fair value gap already. Yeah, so it is a fair value gap inside the 10 a.m. Tough decisions. But as always, we should follow our trading plan. I still have not entered the trade yet. Nice, nice, nice. So if this is my entry, that would give me around 29 points if I'm going to buy it. But are we going to buy it? No, not yet. If I'm going to target some 40 points, that would be around this area. If I go to my 15-minute time frame, that is the Okay, so let's just wait for this price action, guys. Let's wait for it to give us something like a signature of a sell-off, which in my experience that would depend on how it will deliver around this area, the price around this area. So it rejected this one. This is a bearish breaker, by the way. So if it starts to reject it, then yes, I think I'm going to sell short and aim for this. This is just a 25 points. This is a 40 point in. Oh, this is a balanced price range. So let me just throw some 40 points here, and this would mean something like this one or this one. Yeah, so my entry would rather be here. Look how price rejecting that one. Yep, so we don't just sell instantly, we wait for our targets. So imagine if I sell short on that one, I would experience a drawdown, right? So that's the perks of, that's the disadvantage of not following your plan. Even though you'll see the price is rejecting some level of what we deem to be a support or resistance, but we don't trade support resistance. At least for me, I trade based on liquidity. $40 points would be around this area from this sell side liquidity. Yep, I think it's okay now to short this one. Oh, this is a bearish reaper on the 5-minute time frame. But I would like it to trade inside this. Oh, it rejected our balanced price range. Yep, I think it's now a good idea to sell. But I would like it to see some measure of displacement around this 15,846, something like this one, before selling. Look at how choppy this price is. So before we enter the 10 a.m. mark, this was a good trade already. This is the 9:30 opening bell, trade high, then trade lower, then reach some how do you call this one, inefficiencies, and then eventually I believe it's going to trade lower now. I just need it to give me some, you know, like this one, closing price below this 15,846. Then I'll consider selling. If not, I'll sell around this area. So I'm looking at the naked chart right now. Naked chart, and it's just wow. This is a bearish breaker on the 1 hour time frame. So let me just clear my drawing, guys, because I don't really trade like that. I trade only with minimal amount of lipstick on my chart. So this is a bullish fair value gap. This is a bearish order block. I like to use the mean threshold. So this is a high probability sell. And if I go to my 1 hour time frame, yep, this is a high probability sell signal. Although it gives us something like how do you call this one? Balanced price range. Price came from buy side liquidity, trade lower to our sell side liquidity around the London Open. Price is now trading back to this hourly imbalance, or should I say balanced price range. So this is the reaction I'm waiting for. Let's see if it gives us more detailed signatures. I would like to enter a trade, but it should be based on a fair value gap or higher time frame inefficiency. The order flow is already bearish in my opinion, and we're just basically waiting for the price to reach this one. We have some, we should consider like 25 pips stop loss. Oh, we have some imbalance right here, but I don't like price to trade above this, I mean inside this one. Yep, I think I'm going to sell it now with the low risk, of course. Should have been late a while ago. But let's see. This is a 15-minute time frame. Yep. Let's just use some sell. Yep, so we just sold on a bullish order block. Sorry, bearish order block. Our stop loss would be around higher, above a bullish order block, bearish order block. Our take profit target should be around this. Let me just go back to my chart. So my idea of a sell would be invalidated if price traded here, like this area. So I'd like price to, like reject this one, or if possible should not trade above this. And if I'll follow my rules strictly, I should close the trade if price will trade in this midpoint. It's bullish. It's bullish, but it's retracing inside a premium area. We are now down around I don't know, 9 points. So this one is my stop loss area. This 50% level, like if price will close above that one, I would consider it an invalid trade. I think it's still bullish with this type of candle. Yep. Let me just clear my drawing again. That is 15,886. Yep, so this will be my hard stop loss if price close above that. like on a 5-minute 15-minute time frame, because we have here some level of 2 bearish order blocks. We also cleared some sell side liquidity. It's literally trading in the middle, by the way, but still hovering inside the premium. Oh no, it's going to reach. Anyways, if it goes against our trade, then that means it's bullish. But we stop trading if that happens. We have a different chart on my MT4 and on oh yeah, I guess this will be an invalid trade already. Oh, I'm looking at a 30-minute time frame, that's why. It's digging inside this fair value gap, by the way. Already crossed above it. Yeah, I think it's bullish, and it's going to potentially take this high first before selling off. But I'd like a close above, like a 15-minute, 5-minute time frame. So this is a balanced price range. That means we are in a state of bullishness. Let me just check this one. This is a 5-minute imbalance, or volume imbalance rather. We still have like 2 minutes before deciding to cancel the trade, or less than 3 minutes rather. I'd like this one to be left open. If not, that means this thing is bullish and I'll look for buys. So that's just how simple this will work out for me. Will it ever work for me? I don't know. All I know is that I'm trading with my trade plan, if you may. I'd like to add more shorts, but it should be on a 5-minute time frame. So we have here some level of imbalance. Oh, sorry, here. Yep. If we are bullish, we can use this as our entry later on. But if we are bearish, we can also use this as our entry. What I mean by that is that if price trade below this line, then retrace back to this, we can add another position like that one. So you can see we're now on a 1-minute mark and it just left this open, so I like that. That will give me some hope. But let's see. I don't like to, you don't hope in this market. If you hope in this market, you're dead. That means you're not trading with logic, you're trading with something called like feelings maybe, because with emotions rather, because if you start to lose your focus, you start changing your stop levels, you start changing your bias, everything. You can start changing your bias if something on your trading plan does not align with the current market structure or state. Yep, closed lower, and on a 15-minute time frame, this is how it looks like. So this is a rejection, and I can add more shorts. But should I add more? Nope, because I'm on a drawdown. I would just wait for it to close still below this line, this one. So this would be my add more. If not, I'll just stop the trade. If you lose, it's okay. You can always go back for another one. But not today, of course. That's how we, just like how we managed to get back our profits from a massive drawdown. Just kidding. Yeah, we did have a drawdown last week, but managed to, get back our profits. I don't like seeing this pattern, by the way. If I'll be honest, I would want to trade in the afternoon session. Why? It's because this is still on a premium area, and I have not yet taken a major like a swing, if you may. I have not yet taken, the price have not yet taken a major swing low on this left side of the chart. What I mean by that is like this one. So if price traded to this area later on the afternoon, this is a high probability buying with a short-term target of like 20. It's like an easy 20 to 40 pips with an easy run. So let's just put it that way. Right now I'm not really comfortable trading it, to be honest. It's just that I have more experience trading this asset, and I know when to stop, like this one. See how price aligned with our confluence. If it trades above that, I would cancel my buy, sell, because it would potentially trade to this higher or this inefficiency. I think we're already on profits. Oh my goodness, do we just took profit? No, I did not know that one. We're digging into, okay, let me just cancel some trade. Honestly, I did not expect that one, because I was using this price mark. Okay, let me just put on another trade. That's crazy, man. I'm sorry about that, because I'm looking at the trading view. Oh my goodness. And okay, I think I'll go back around afternoon session, guys, like 2 p.m. NY time. Yeah, because honestly I don't like trading this one with the current price action. Although I did manage to have a positive trade. I did manage to, I don't call it a win, by the way. To be quite honest, that's not a win for me. Yeah, but it's on profit in school. Let me just see that green. So we sell around 15,875 with a short-term target of 14 points. That not bad. With a massive drawdown first. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's just look for stock price. Anyways, if we're wrong, still earn profit. If we're right, then we're right. So Microsoft. Okay, so we have anticipated that it might sell off, and yes, it did sell off right now. Everything is aligning right, especially this one, Adidas. This was posted on our stock analysis channel. You can check it out. Okay guys, let me just grab some drink for a bit. So you can see guys in my screen this how do you call this one? Wait, let me just put this on the live trade. So you can see here on the right side of my screen, oh, this is the other account. So wait, let me just change this to Osprey. Yep. So you can see here price is now rejecting the sell side liquidity. So that's just right, we took off the trade, yeah. And like I said, I'm not comfortable trading it because of the experience I have and the price action that it's showing me. I'm not interested trading it, even though it might trade lower. I would like to see it trade lower so that on the afternoon I can have some buying opportunity or selling opportunity. Hello guys, I'm back. So you can see that's why I don't like trading it. It's choppy and now it rejected my this one 15,887 level. So for me this is not tradable because it's showing some, you know, uncomfortable or inconsistent price action, although my underlying bias is a sell since it just took a long-term buy side liquidity, this one. So this is a sell, but no, I'm not going to trade this one yet unless we're in the afternoon session. So I guess this wraps up our live trade for today, guys. Hope you're having a good time and should take care of your risk if you're going to continue trading this or other markets like Forex. But right now Forex would be, you know, like it's going to consolidate, especially this Euro and GBP USD, because it's now, the banks are now closed, I believe, on I mean this is now a London close session. So that's it guys, thank you for tuning in and hope you're having a good time. And this is Dark Mirror signing out.